boy. What's up, all you cool cats? What's up, all you cool cats and kittens? That meme is way too late. What up, kids? Welcome back to another video. It's kind of nighttime. I was super excited about this, so I'm like ready to just bust this out right now. A couple things. I did launch my new store. Go to www.HondaStreetGarage.com. Pick up some new stickers. Even the wheel stickers are there. We're going to be trying to get more merch, more things moved over to that website. But for now, we are concerned about this. This right here, I've been waiting. So I ordered this from Charlie Moa, or Charlie Mao. I'm not sure how to say his last name. I may be butchering it. I ordered this when a bunch of people put orders in. So it took a little while to get here because he was backed up, but it's all good. It is now here. You know, the quality of this bad boy, I'm so excited for it. What up, boys and girls? I'm here interrupting this video to let you know there is now a website you can go to, HondaStreetGarage.com, and you can pick up a new set of stickers, including Damn It Boy stickers, and not only that, wheel decals for your Roto Slipstream. Just orientate the wheel, valve stem down, carefully peel the backing paper, right about there. Peel the backing paper, fold down, so you don't lose any of those tiny pieces. Gauge taters. You can get sparkle silver, purple, rose gold, sparkle gold, white, and a variety of other colors, and the wheel stickers as well. Head over to HondaStreetGarage.com and pick up a set.
Now back to the show.
Oh, you can already tell, bro. You can already tell what this is. So this is a K20 valve cover. Let's see if I can pull it out. This thing, I mean, you could just see it. Again, this is probably going to be one of those colors that the camera doesn't do justice. As of right now, the color is proper. It's the same thing on the little camera screen that I'm seeing in real life. So this is what we have now. I know a lot of people love this valve cover, but I actually ordered this so long ago that this is crazy. So this is the valve cover that's been on here. I love it. It's actually the second one. Actually, you know, messed up the first one. But when people see this, they're like, wow, it looks really cool in person. However, there's been lots and lots of debate about whether the color fits the car or not. The truth is that when I started to do this car, I was really into the hybrid racing color scheme. The black, gray, and the green. In fact, I'll show you guys these, my new wheel stickers that I've been posting on Instagram. These are available on the site. And there's actually going to be 2 more colors available coming up soon, so be looking for those. But I've been moving towards this theme of, you know, changing the color scheme over on the car. So let me try to get this out. Almost just marked the camera. So 1 layer. This is hard. This is so hard right now. I don't have the tripod. Ooh. Oh my God. Straight bass boat, boy.
I made you look.
Oh my God. Dude, bro. Oh man, of course, the camera's not doing this justice. This is blinding. This is some fluorescent green, bruh. Oh my God, wow. Look at that. Quality on this is gorgeous. Oh my God. This is straight tennis ball, radioactive. It looks pale yellow in the screen. It's not pale yellow at all. This is straight tennis ball, son. Ooh. I think that's gonna work. That thing is so clean. Crisp, dude. Crisp. So, I'm gonna get this valve cover off. I'm going to attempt to use the same valve cover gasket because it is an OEM valve cover gasket and I've barely got 2,000 miles on it, so it should still be good. But also, with the valve cover, I will be installing MPC's new 100 proof valve cover hardware, and I actually went for black so that it would kind of match everything else. This should work pretty good. Let me pull this bad boy off.
You got me trapped inside this spell. Now I feel it. Now I feel it. Your demons drag me close to hell. I can feel it.
Oh my god, that is straight tennis ball action. That thing's so bright. It looks awesome. Now I'm going to put the 100-proof hardware kit on, put everything back, then a hybrid racing plug cover, oil, dipstick, and oil cap. Boys and girls, boy, this looks so good, especially with the black accents, with the hybrid racing black accents and the MPC hardware. This is just phenomenal. I mean, it looks like it's glowing on camera. It's so bright, matches the wheel stickers perfectly. I mean, it is just so good looking. So good looking. Wow, this thing just looks so good. I really hope my camera is able to pick up the absolute gorgeous beauty that this is. Wow. My phone can't really pick it up. This thing is just so bright. Wow, that thing is just gorgeous. It's like glowing. Big shout out to Charlie Moa on Facebook. Hit him up if you're looking to get a valve cover yourself. He does a ton of different colors and powder coats, and even does engraving. He doesn't have an Instagram, unfortunately. Otherwise, I'd blow him up on Instagram. I'm trying to convince him to get on Instagram. And when you do message him, if you message him, tell him you saw it here on my video. That'd be super duper. Also, if you guys want to, hit up the HondaStreetGarage.com store, pick up a sticker or a set of wheel decals. And I'm trying to add more stuff to the site coming soon. Thank you to everybody that has placed an order already. They should ship out next week, and they should be arriving to you soon. I've also just set up a Patreon, link in the description below. I'm trying to set it up so that the Patreons get full access to me to be able to send me a message and ask me automotive questions whenever. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Peace out.